Hello, I'm Tanya Page, and this is my assignment of Organization and Certification for HEP 240. A little bit about me and my interests. I like health education and promotion. I am interested in making more smoke-free zones in our community. I am also interested in well-designed community paths and even helping the smaller communities have well-designed paths to promote physical activity and safety. And I am also interested in community gardens and helping our community eat healthier and stay healthy. So for my certificate, I chose the CHES, and then the program I really liked is the Idaho HEAL program. The CHES certification. The CHES certification is for Health Education Specialist, promotes professional development, and strengthens professional preparedness and practice. It helps individuals in public health with their knowledge and skill set. It helps show employers your qualifications and that you are invested in continued development and continued learning. The CHES eligibility. You must have a bachelor's or a master's or a doctor's, and preferably in the health discipline. However, you can have 25 semester hours or 37 quarter hours addressing 7 areas of health education. Once you obtain your certification, it is good for 5 years. You must renew annually, but you must recertify every 5 years. The cost is different for when you register. If you register before November 30th as a student, you would pay $220. If you wait until the 1st of December to January 31st as a student, it would be $270. And if you wait until February, and you must register before February 28th, your cost as a student would be $320. And there is a $100 non-refundable processing fee. Where to take your exam? I had to call and ask on this one. The closest place for Idaho, Boise, Idaho, would be the Idaho State University in Meridian. And you can also go to Pocatello to take your exam. Hours needed to recertify. They ask that you have 75 continuing education contact hours by the end of your 5th year. The CHES certification can only help individuals in the public health field. It ensures the health, welfare, and safety of the public by helping public health professionals demonstrate that they are knowledgeable and have the skills they need to help the community. The CHES certification has become accredited by the International Accreditation, which ensures constant, comparable, and reliable operations worldwide. The HEAL program, Healthy Eating, Active Living in Idaho. Their mission statement: to create an environment where all Idahoans understand, value, and have access to healthy food options as well as places of opportunities to be physically active to improve their health and well-being. To better meet the needs of the members, they have 5 subcommittees. I find this to be the most helpful because every person kind of has different goals and different angles they want to pursue in public health. So you can be a part of the workplace wellness, healthy lifestyle messaging, youth wellness, food systems, and healthy transportation. The workplace wellness. This is looking at that most people spend most of their day at work. This committee looks at ways to engage health and wellness into the workforce and maintain productive work. To do this, they find ways to provide more nutritious food and beverages in the break room and also support breastfeeding moms and increase physical activity opportunities, like letting people take breaks to go for a walk or a jog or to work out. Healthy lifestyle messaging. This is access to free research-based information on proper nutrition and physical activity to help increase nutritious food options in all segments of communities, to provide more opportunities to get people moving and more campaigns to get the word out about conquering obesity. Youth Wellness is a network impacting youth wellness across Idaho to create events, programs, and incentives for youth health. It helps with nutritional goals and daily physical activity It also helps provide food to children in schools, providing breakfast and lunch and healthy snacks. The food systems is to eliminate hunger, helping build a network to provide food for all Idahoans and to help expand programs to get nutritious food to all Idahoans. It is helping programs like farmers markets and getting people to be able to go and afford the food that's provided that is healthy. Healthy transportation is to provide more active transportation to all of Idahoans, more well-designed paths to promote activity and ensure safety, helping to make active transportation available for all ages. This would be the area that I would be most interested in. Why pick Hill? Hill needs individuals committed to creating an environment where all Idahoans can live healthy. Idaho needs the community to come together and help make the healthy choice the easy choice. Hill needs you to help with policy development, cultural change, and the elimination of health disparities. Meetings. Hill does have annual regional meetings and statewide summit. There is one coming up March 15th. Meetings are a great resource. You come together to see where you can make a difference in the community. This is not credited. You do not get credit for going. However, they do come to Boise State and have some meetings for students to get involved. Membership and meetings are free. The main literature is their webpage. They use their framework as their guide. They do partner up with other subcommittees that may have their own material. Why I like Hill? Hill is a great organization. It really embraces public health, offering programs and resources for a healthier life. I like that they work with youth wellness, finding networks to help support programs for the youth to stay healthy, as well as work with schools to help provide nutritious meals and snacks while helping children receive breakfast, lunch, and snacks at school. I like active transportation, finding ways to get our community active, to have more well-designed paths that also provide safe traveling. This is the one area that I am interested in. The Boise Greenbelt is a great path that many of us use to stay active and to get to food, to work, and to school safely. I would love to help other communities in Idaho have the same opportunities. To be able to attend meetings with like-minded people, to get resources and other people's ideas would be a great place to make a difference. When people from all over the state get together who are passionate about making a difference in the health of our people, much can be shared and learned. Different people with different backgrounds and resources can help create the help we need to achieve greatness. And then these are my references of the Hill program and then the CHES certification. Thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure.